A message for the soul who needs it. Welcome to INK Spirit, your sacred space for spiritual guidance and soul healing, brought to you by Inkfluence of Art. Take a deep breath, center yourself, and ask your heart what it needs today. We are going to do a simple 3-card read, past, present, and future. Each card represents a phase in the sequence of events or upcoming events related to the past regarding the subject, the present situation, and a future potential, if the cards are considered and used as advised. Focus on your question or inner voice. You can also clear your mind and allow the divinity to choose the cards. Regardless, relaxed focus is the best for a clear reading. Focusing your energy on the cards directs its positive or negative vibrations. Try to stay positive, no matter what the question. Let's start this tarot reading. The first card pulled represents the past in this situation. The 9 of Swords. Swords represents challenges, and the 9 represents coming to the end of the challenges. What it means for this reading is this card will have meaning or help with understanding the situation if you look at how you handled past challenges near the end of them. The card's interpretation reads, you may tend to worry to the point of unrest, and in the end everything works out fine. Part is because you work so hard through the worry. You were never meant to fail. Try to focus on this the next time you encounter challenges. Things always work out in the end because you can count on yourself to get things done. Mantra. Your peace is your power. Follow the wind, not the noise. Reclaim your soul fire. The next card pulled represents the present in this situation. The 3 of Swords. Swords represents challenges, and the 3 represents the beginning of action in the challenges. What it means for this reading is this card will have meaning or help with understanding the situation if you look at how you handled past challenges. The active stages may have made you feel stress wounding if it will all work out in the end. Your past card reminds you, your hard work ethic always get the job done right. These 2 cards are helping guide you through your next and future challenges. You should start to understand the guidance here. We can't prevent challenges, but how we face them and handle them can be controlled for ease of solutions. The card interpretation reads, this may represent heartache or hurt emotions, emotional turmoil or rejection. If this is an issue for you, take the card's advice. Focus on the results of reminding yourself, every step is a lesson. Moving forward is the only way out, and what you learn from the past can speed up the healing process. Don't focus on the negativity. Remind yourself, old things must die for new one to begin again. Mantra. Your peace is your power. Follow the wind, not the noise. Reclaim your soul fire. The next card pulled represents the future in this situation. The Wheel Arcana. The wheel represents the turning of events. As the world revolves, so do our lives. So this makes the perfect future card. What it means for this reading is this card, it reminds the questioner, the future depends on how things play out. One spin can alter the course of a lifetime. Focus and attention to the wheel's moves will keep it all in perspective. Plan to play out challenges the way the tarot advised. Remember, it will work out in the end, because of your invested focus and initiative to prepare and be prepared for anything. You got this. In understanding the guidance here, we can see the wheel challenges us to be open to change, to prepare for anything. This eases much of the stress we face in challenging situations. The card interpretation reads, asks you to rely on destiny to turn the wheel of fate and for you to trust and step out of your comfort zone. Know you have prepared well and come prepared. This and a go with the flow attitude will help with any turn of event the future may have in store. Have confidence you will be able to handle it. You prove you already have. Mantra. Your peace is your power. Follow the wind, not the noise. Reclaim your soul fire. The final reading of all the cards tells us challenges faced in the past and overcome can repeat in the future. What you have to realize is you have already conquered these issues and you are well skilled in dealing with new challenges. It's not necessary for you to worry anymore whether it will work out or not. Once you have learned how to go with the flow, your confidence will shine. You know how to get things done. Nothing is stopping you. If this message spoke to you, save it, share it, or let us know below. We're listening. Visit ink-spirit.net to explore your free divinity reading and connect with your spirit guide today.